Hello, today I'm going to be giving you a quick tutorial on how to check the list of the documents you may need in your Vanguard student portal. To begin, at the top of a new tab, we are going to type in mycampus.asub.edu. Then when that pops up on the right at Login, we're going to click that and then go down to Student Portal homepage. When I click Student Portal homepage, my account automatically signs me in, so you may have to enter in your username and password yourself. As you focus on the bottom middle row, the box that says Document Center, it has a white square with a hazard triangle inside it and a number to the right. The number represents the number of required documents that we are missing and need to turn in. For this example, it's at its max number of 130. As soon as the Document Center page loads, on the left we see a Show Entries section that lets us customize how many documents appear on the page, and on the right we see a search bar to search for a specific document we may be missing. Below document name and status we see a list of documents. To the far right of that there is a green arrow that if you click it, it will arrange the documents in alphabetical order, from first to last. At the top of the due date/template column, you can click on the arrow to arrange the documents from most recent to least recent. If you click the drop down in between Show and Entries, you can choose the number of documents you want to appear on one page. That was a quick tutorial on how to use your Vanguard student portal to look up a list of the documents you may be missing and need to turn in. If you have any other questions, please feel free to come by the Vanguard Technical Support Center, give us a call, or send us an email. Thank you and have a great day.